My topic is memory representation and sorting element of a one-dimensional array. My name is Jayrani. I am Tribuli Department. Introduction: Memory representation and sorting element of a one-dimensional array. Understanding how data is stored in memory helps optimize sorting algorithms. Sorting elements efficiently is crucial in many applications. Memory representation. A one-dimensional array is a contiguous block of memory locations. Each element occupies a fixed amount of memory, depending on its data type. Elements are stored consecutive memory addresses. Array memory layout. Elements are stored in increasing order of their indices. Memory addresses for elements can be calculated using the base address and element size. Example: int array 5 is stored as array 0, array 1, array 2, array 3, array 4 in memory. Sorting algorithms. Sorting rearranges elements in a specific order. Various sorting algorithms exist, each with its own advantages and complexity. Common sorting algorithms include bubble sort, insertion sort, merge sort, and quick sort. First of all, bubble sort. Bubble sort is repeatedly compares adjacent elements and swaps them if they are in the wrong order. It continues until the array is sorted. Bubble sort has a time complexity of 0 in the worst case scenario. And next, insertion sort. Insertion sorts builds the final sorted array, one item at a time. It compares each element with the elements before it and inserts it in the correct position. Insertion sort has a time complexity of 0 in the worst case scenario. And merge sort. Merge sort is nothing but is a divide and convenient algorithm that divides the array into smaller subarrays. It rigorously sorts our subarrays and then merges them to produce a sorted array. Merge sort has a time complexity of 0 in log n in all cases. And next, quick sort. Quick sort picks an element as a pivot and partitions the array around the pivot. It rigorously sorts the subarrays created by the partitioning process. Quick sort has an average time complexity of 0 in log n but can degrade to 0 in the worst case scenario. And next, comparison of sorting algorithms. Bubble sort and insertion sort are simple but inefficient for large arrays. Merge sort and quick sort have better time complexity and are commonly used. The choice of sorting algorithm depends on the specific requirements of the application. Conclusion: Memory representation and sorting element in a one-dimensional array are crucial concepts in programming. Understanding the concepts helps optimize sorting algorithms to better performance. It is very true, understanding these concepts helps optimize sorting algorithms. Consider the characteristics of different sorting algorithms to choose most suitable one for the given task. It is choose the most suitable for the given task. Thank you. Thank you for given golden opportunity.